Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, AI face swapping. But this isn't the old complicated stuff with Photoshop layers and hours of masking. This is one-click, ultra-realistic AI swapping powered by Higsfield AI, and it's shockingly accurate. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to get the best results, and what to avoid if you want flawless, natural-looking swaps. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Higsfield AI. You'll see a clean landing page with tools like Image, Video, Edit, Sora 2, Popcorn, Assist, Apps, and Community. For this tutorial, click on Face Swap under the Image Tools section. If you're new, click Try Now, or sign in at the top right corner. You can log in using your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The dashboard layout is simple: a left panel with feature tabs and a large preview workspace in the center. Click on Face Swap to open the workspace. You'll see two upload boxes, one for your face, called Source, and the other for the target image where you want your face to appear. Below that, there's a button that says Face Swap. Now let's go step by step. First, upload your face. Choose a clear photo that's well lit and front-facing. Avoid blurry or angled selfies. Next, upload the target image, the picture where you want your face to appear. This can be a portrait, a model photo, or even a character image. Finally, click Face Swap and wait a few seconds. You'll instantly see the swapped result appear on the right side. The realism here is impressive. Lighting, shadows, and skin tone are automatically matched for a natural look. After generation, you'll see extra options below the result. Upscale improves sharpness and detail. Animate turns your swapped image into a short animation or motion clip. Edit lets you fine-tune brightness, contrast, and small imperfections. History keeps track of all your previous swaps so you can recheck or re-download anytime. Now let's test this with a few different styles to see how consistent it is. First, a normal portrait swap. Upload your face, then upload a professional portrait as the target. Click Generate, and you'll notice how smoothly it blends facial edges and tones. Perfect for profile pictures or thumbnails. Next, let's test one with different lighting and angles. Upload your face again and choose a target image with side lighting or a tilted angle. Click Generate. Even with a new light direction, the AI keeps the shadows balanced and skin tone consistent. No manual color correction needed. Now let's go for an expressive photo. Upload a smiling or open mouth image and click Generate. Even with complex expressions, the swap stays stable without distortions or mismatched features. That's where Higsfield's blending technology really stands out. Once you're happy with your result, click Save to download the final swapped image in high resolution. You can also use the Edit option to make small adjustments or the Upscale feature to sharpen details before saving. Here are a few tips for getting the best results. Use high-resolution, well-lit photos. Try to match the face angle between your photo and the target image. Avoid heavy filters or strong makeup effects that can confuse the AI. And if the output looks a bit soft, use the Upscale tool to bring back clarity. For fun, try the Animate option to bring your swapped face to life. It creates short motion clips that look surprisingly real. And that's how you use Higsfield AI Face Swap to create ultra-realistic results with zero editing experience. It's fast, clean, and a lot of fun to experiment with. If you want to try it yourself, check the link to Higsfield AI in the description below. Go experiment with your favorite photos and tell me in the comments which results surprised you the most. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.